Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with GoDaddy easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin budgeting with GoDaddy, access your GoDaddy account by visiting their website. Enter your username and password to log in. Once logged in, navigate to the My Products section. Here, you will find a list of your domains and services. Select the service you want to budget for, such as web hosting or domain registration. Click on Manage next to the chosen service. Look for the Billing or Payment Settings option. Review your current billing cycle and any recurring charges. Next, find the option to set a budget or budget alerts. Enter the desired monthly or yearly budget amount. Adjust settings for notifications based on your budget preferences. Save your changes to ensure your budget is set. Monitor your usage regularly by returning to the My Products section. Assess your expenses to see if they align with your budget. Make adjustments as needed to stay within your financial goals. Consider using GoDaddy's additional budgeting tools if available. Regularly review your budget for changes in your services or needs. By following these steps, you'll gain better control over your budgeting with GoDaddy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.